when you hear somebody saying, talk about 2%, 2% of what? You should talk about 2% of money that you have put in the accounts of the county governments. Mr. Speaker, my disappointment is in the fact that from the 24th of this month, of last month, people have been sleeping outside. Then you come and tell us that you're going to give 10,000 shillings to the affected households. We have lost over 10,000 households, Mr. Speaker. Where do you think these people have been sleeping? That is my disappointment, and I want to dissuade Honorable Mungatana. Don't wait for Ruto's money. It's not coming for your people. Mr. Speaker, as I speak right now as a senator of Nairobi, I can confirm that no money has reached the people of Nairobi from the national government. So don't tell us about 2%.
Senator for Nairobi, in this house we use parliamentary language. If you're referring to a colleague, you refer to them as honorable senator. If you're referring to the president, you refer him as His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya. We do not have a Mr. Ruto, so kindly abide.
I want to advise...
I thought you had concluded.
Yes,
Senator.
Let me make the correction you asked me to make.
Okay,
I want
proceed.
to ask the Honorable Senator for Tana River, the very able Danson Mungatana, do not wait for President Ruto's money. It is not coming. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Chirange.
Mr. Speaker, I want to make a comment on Senator Muma. Mr. Speaker, I want to thank the national government for supplementing what the default function is. I know you being a former governor, you know disaster management, disaster response, fire is, and you are a distinguished lawyer in this republic, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to call upon county governments. I have seen even your county, some floods have started happening. That the 2% of the total of county revenue should be allocated. It is under the law. Whether the national government releases the money today or even in January, Mr. Speaker, they must allocate, because that's what the budget is all about, Mr. Speaker.